Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to create and to make your data filtering more interactive and dynamic. Widget allow you to add drop-downs, text field, and multitask option directly in your Databricks notebooks. I'll guide you through an example where we filter sales data based on the region, sale thresholds, and product categories selected through widgets. Watch till the end and to learn how these simple tools can make your workflow more flexible and user-friendly. In first step, create a drop-down widget for region selection. And next one, create a text widget for cell threshold input. Contain numbers and sales threshold you can see here. Okay, and first of all, you can see region selection. Region contain North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. And here is a default text in drop down. Okay, and next one is we create a multitask widget for selecting product categories. Okay, you can see product categories: old, electronics, furniture, clothing, and food. Okay. Okay. Above page appears three text box, drop down, and multitask. Okay, here you can see these values that already we define here. And another setting is here. You can click at this button and see some settings options. Okay, and next step, for access the value widget, we need define some values here. db utils widget get region. Okay, get it and pass to the controller. And you can see cell threshold and selected categories. Okay, and for display the widget values, for as a reference, we define three print command here. Okay, print selected region, cell thresholds, and selected categories. Yes, you can see default values here. Okay. And next step, we will define a sample data frame with the sales data. Okay, we have a data frame called as sales data with three columns: region here, and categories, and finally sale threshold. Okay, and next step is apply filters based on the widget input. Here we define a data frame based on the filter with the two to close. First is sales data that region. Okay, that come full filter value from here. Okay, and second is a sales threshold. Okay, that comes from here. And next step will be okay here. Okay, here. If a specific categories are selected, not all, filter the data further. Okay, here you can see this is a filter based on the category is in the selected categories. And finally, show the filtered result. Okay, and oh yeah, finally I find it. This is the region is Asia, category is at closing, and search threshold is uh, 12,000. Okay, thanks for watching.